Good morning. This is Karthikeyan Ramanathan, Senior Vice President of Zibu Share and Wealth Management Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss about new launching IPO, Star Health and Allied Insurance Company Limited. So this company is incorporated in the year 2006, and then the company is having a very good potential and market share about 15.8% in this industry. So and then the company is having some various operations. Earlier they have started with that individual health insurance, and then after that they have raised their hand, extend their wings into corporate medical claim and then family medical cover and etc. So now the company is having a strong strength in competitive advantages. So largest private health insurance company in India with the leadership and the attractive health segments. Another one is largest in network distribution in the health insurance industry. The third point is diversified product suite with focus on innovation and specialist products. So the specialist products means individual health insurance and family health insurance and corporate mediclaim cover, and then some disaster insurance also they have covered. The another one is a strong risk management with a superior claims ratio and quality customer service also. The quality customer service is the biggest vital role in today's market condition because it's playing a biggest role in India. Today, the maximum people is expect very good service from the reputed companies. So maximum companies is failed in this area, but insurance company they have some very good rapport between the customers by doing their quality customer service. Another one is demonstrated track record of operating and financial performance. The financial performance is a main criteria to choose which IPO will be going to perform in future. So that we need to analyze the clear financial oriented statements and then operations oriented information about the company, which is most important one. The another one, that company promoters is the important one, though there are three promoters in this company. One is Safecover Investments India Limited, another one Westbridge AIF, and Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is one of the company promoter. So Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is the biggest notifying figure for in India. So because what are the activities he is done based on the financial parameters, and he is looked at company real value of the company, so that his investment will be going to give you a boom in the future also. So that the everybody is focusing his investment and kind of activities in this financial market. So he is also one of the promoter. That is the biggest plus point to us also. So as per the financial ratio, that last 5 years, the company's data has given. From started with the 2019 March, the company is ended up with a profit of 1,282 million profits, almost 128 crores profit. So after that, the year ended up with the 2020, the company is making a 260 crores as profit. So after that, March 2021, the company is ended up with a minus 825 crores as a loss. The 30th September 2021, the company is ended up with a minus 380 crores as a loss. So as of now, the company is making a loss. So we need to take care of this because these parameters is very good important to us because we have seen lot of IPOs in future. So in the earlier IPOs, the company is having a good potential, then the company is giving to a good return to investors. So if the loss making company not having much more potential to give that much of returns, but the only hope is the promoter only, so that the thing is, the sum of the based on analysis, the company has getting a rating of a neutral rating only, so that the investors can invest or the investors can reject this IPO based on this rating. Okay, this is a neutral one. So either not possible, much more possible in the bull side and much more possible in a bearish side also. Another one, this IPO will launch in November 30, 2021. The IPO closing date is December 2, 2021. So there are almost 3 days between there. And then issue type is book-shoot IPO, and then the equity face value is 10 rupees per share. And then the price band of this IPO is 870 to 900 rupees per share. The total market lot will be 16 shares, and these shares will be going to IPO will be going to list in NSE and Bombay Stock Exchange also. This total offer for sale is 5,249 crore is offered to sale for the public. Minimum lot, the individual can invest minimum lot of 1 and the maximum lot size is 13. The share quantity around nearly 208. The total amount would be around nearly 1,87,200 will be the upper ceiling limit for investment, and then the lower range is 14,400. So the investor who want to subscribe this IPO, they must have the amount of 14,400, the maximum of 1,87,200. The promoter stakeholding is around nearly 66.22 percentage before the IPO. After the IPO, that the company's holding will be reduced up to the 58.42 as of now. And then we need to look one more important parameters in this case. And then this company is having nearly 737 health insurance branches across 26 states and 4 union territories. And then the company is having a more than 10,870 networking hospitals in all over India. So these are the things is most important, so that the people having nearly the market share around 15.8% in this industry. So as per the balance sheet and then company's operation, the company is potentially very strong in this operation, but financially the company is limited weak because the company is reinvesting their profit and then they are spending a lot of money into the marketing activities. So the company will be long term, the company will be going to perform well because some of the intrinsic value will be very good of this company. So the company is having a strong operation team, and then the company is also making a profit, but this sometimes the company is making a huge loss. This kind of losses is for that operation kind of investments and kind of thing also. So we can see sometimes we need to wait and then get IPO after the listing is wise thing also. So before we getting this IPO, we can avoid, we can take this as a market price when the IPO got listed. For within a 3 to 5 days, we can take a decision based on the trade performance of this IPO. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. We will have some more videos like this. Wish you have happy trading. Thank you so much.